Welcome to this impressive urban retreat overlooking the Tualatin River and a forest-like backyard. Here it's easy to enjoy the great outdoors without all the work. Take a leisurely trail behind your home to local parks or just enjoy the serenity. Discover a great room floor plan with vaulted ceilings, a gas fireplace, and skylights for abundant natural light. The updated chef's kitchen features beautiful quartz countertops, a large island, a Bosch gas range, double ovens, Miele dishwasher, peaceful views, and a pantry. From here, enjoy your wraparound deck, like living in the trees with views of the Tualatin River. You'll also find an office or den on this main level and a bath. The upper level is your primary bedroom ensuite sanctuary, with a sitting area overlooking the river. Enjoy the well-appointed primary bath with separate vanities, a large shower, and soaking tub. The lower level has a great guest space with a fireplace, Murphy bed, and access to the lower deck. A flex space is ready for any number of uses. And you'll find 2 more bedrooms, plus another full bath. A laundry chute from the primary bedroom connects to the laundry room. You can also enjoy the backyard fire pit or private deck that's ready for a hot tub and kayak storage. A fantastic Northwest lifestyle is here on Tualatin Drive, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.